Hey everyone, thanks again for clicking in. So in this episode, we are going to go ahead and go through our OneScreen user interface, as always. And instead of discussing specifically our unified access points, we are going to discuss the different multi-platform communication that you can have and that can be run directly through our OneScreen interface. So for instance, by clicking on my Meetings button, once again, you see we have our WebEx and Adobe Connect capabilities and of course our OneScreen Connect capabilities. So whether it's internal, whether it's customer based, whether it's vendor based with whom you're going to be working with, if either of these tools or both are being employed, you have the ability to run both of these systems directly through our user interface in our area right here under Meetings. Now, to give you an example, if I were to click on WebEx, right here I have New Meeting as well as Join a Meeting, and then of course Schedule a Meeting. Now, New Meeting, simply put, yes, I want to start a new meeting, click on that guy. What it's going to do is automatically launch a WebEx session directly through your WebEx portal. So this makes it a very easy one-touch directly to WebEx that you can now, as you can see, facilitate a WebEx meeting. Now, on top of that, you have the ability to join a meeting, for instance, and through the portal, once again, you have join a meeting. It's going to have a little pop-up. Once again, all you need is your WebEx ID, you put your name in, and off you go to launch that meeting as well. Adobe Connect is going to apply in the same fashion, so you have your new meeting as well as your join a meeting. The idea is that whether or not you guys employ these services directly in your own company, once again, you can now facilitate them directly through OneScreen. On top of that, if you do happen to have customers or vendors and they wanted to share their credentials with you because you guys do that much work and they're specifically, let's say, a WebEx house and they want to communicate with you, that's fantastic. We love the option and the ability for our customers to take advantage of all these different platforms directly through our OneScreen. So by using these tools, it's going to allow you to enhance all of your forms of communication, collaboration, webinaring, web conferencing, etc., all through our system. Additionally, OneScreen comes standard with Skype for Business Server Edition, and that allows you now to access all the capability of Skype for Business, once again, directly through our OneScreen user interface. Now, we also have the ability, as well, as you can see, we can easily launch a call directly from our user interface from OneScreen into a Skype for Business call. So what you'll see now is a call session with one of my colleagues. It was that simple. Click on the call ID and it's automatically going to launch a call with him directly through our user interface. However, we are using Skype for Business. And of course, you have additional tool sets through Skype for Business that will allow you to do a lot more as well. So in closing, once again, with OneScreen, our multi-platform application allows you to communicate on all different forms from WebEx to Adobe Connect, Skype for Business, our own OneScreen account. These are all welcome platforms to be used directly through our OneScreen interface. We're more than happy to have you use them all, any one of them, etc. Completely up to you. At the end of the day, the idea is to make sure that you guys are using OneScreen to perform all of your collaboration, communication, video, conferencing tools, etc. Thank you very much.